Hi there, this is Deborah and welcome to my channel 60 Something Style. Today we're going to go on a little road trip. I'm going to be doing a do-it-yourself from Dollar Tree, so I'm excited to do that. So without further ado, let's get started. Because I am, without a doubt, probably the absolute worst do-it-yourselfer. I get an idea up here, but I can't translate it down through these. But we're going to give it a shot. If it turns out beautiful, I will show y'all how to do it. If it turns out looking like a piece of dog crap, big pile of dog crap, then if y'all want a big piece of dog crap in your house, I'll show you how I did it. Anyway, until I get it going, this is it. Bye bye. Where am I going? Hobby Lobby. To go pick up stuff for my DIY that I told you about in my last video. I'm going to give it a shot, see if I can do it. Today is literally my no makeup look. And my hair, as you can see, is messy bun. It's going to be a fun day, so you ladies come along. Okay, we're outside and I'm going to give you a little peek of my front garden. So if I can figure out how to switch the camera around, I'll do that. Nope, that didn't do it. Well, we'll look at it this way. Okay, I'm here. So excited. Quiet because I don't want everybody in here looking at me, and I'm looking for roses, and there we go. We've got them. I'm going to get probably either 3 or 5 bunches. Okay, after I finished up at Hobby Lobby, I had to come to my second favorite place in the world, Lowe's. Got to get a new plant for my patio, so I'm going to pick that out. Then I'll go home and I'll show you what I bought. I am back from Dollar Tree, back from Lowe's. I want to show you what I got and how this is hopefully going to end up. I'll be showing that to you later, but I want to show you this one really cute thing I made. I made that like last week out of Dollar Tree flowers. I thought that was kind of cute for the coffee table or the dining table outside. So here's what we got. We have got, I know this, oh, sorry, I gotta move the chair here. Being crazy. Okay. We got roses. We've got whatever that thing is. Get back, Daisy. You can't have it. My dog wants it. Got more of those. We got, no. That's my Daisy dog taking my baby's breath. Okay, so I got, I believe, 3 babies' breath, because you're always supposed to do it in odd numbers. 3 bunches of roses. Okay, isn't that elegant and beautiful? Then I had to go to Lowe's, and at Lowe's I bought the spray paint. Now this is a blush pink and a gray. That's what's supposed to turn this bunch of stuff into an elegant flower arrangement. So I guess we will see if that's going to in fact happen. I picked up a couple of other things at Dollar Tree. I was surprised to find Duracell cocoa butter lotion for $1. You can get the same thing if you want at Walmart for probably $3 or $4. Then I've been having the hardest time with my eyebrows, so I got some Color Mates. I've never heard of it before, but Color Mates, and it is, let's see if we can get it a better lighting. There we go. It's a light and a dark brown, so I'm hoping I can mix those and get the perfect eyebrow color. But anyway, I'll take you over here, show you another thing. There's Miss Daisy Doodle, a little 157-pound baby. And at Lowe's, I bought some beautiful lantana and a new little container. And this is my lemon tree. And let's see, I don't know in the light if you're going to be able to see or not, but it does in fact have lemons all over it. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. And then, let's see, that little doggy back there that you just caught a glimpse of, that is Miss Blossom. She is our red-tick coonhound. She's hanging out back in the shade garden. I don't blame her. That's where I would rather be. And again, here is little Miss Daisy Doodle being a lazy girl. I tell you, Great Danes are couch potatoes. They do nothing. So I'm going to stop the rambling for now and get to work on my DIY flower arrangement. I'll show you if it works out or if it doesn't. Not going to be real surprised if it doesn't, because, and I think they are looking really pretty. So we will continue on. Then I'm going to be, I see a few little yellow places. I'm going to be touching them up a little bit, but for right now, I think they're looking really good. Next step, I'm going to come in with the gray after this is good and dry. That's what I think is going to add the elegance to them. If not, they're looking good anyway. So may not turn out exactly like I want them to, but I think they're going to turn out okay. Okay, so now we're going to take a look after I sprayed them with the gray. Hopefully we can see out here. I just stuck them in, this is my old bicycle painted lime green. I have flowers growing out of it every year, but I just stuck these down in the basket for right now. But I don't know if you can really see well. Let me pull this over into the shade. Yeah, now you can see how I touched the ends, just spritzed the ends and the inside with gray. Kind of gave them a very elegant look, I think. So we are, as soon as they get dry, we're going to bring them over here. Here is my salvia and artemisia. Got a small little midnight crepe myrtle that's trying to grow here. We're going to try to get this baby up and grown. And let's see what else we got over here that I could show you. This is Rose of Sharon. She's not blooming yet. It'll probably be June before she blooms. I've got more of the blue salvia. My husband's BB Target makes me so mad that he leaves that up. Then we come over here and we've got, let's see, let me get back over here where you can see it. We've got autumn sage that blooms all summer long. Then we've got more, this is called midnight salvia. It comes back every year. Back over in there is my corner, my shade garden. The dogs have told me I've got to redo it this year. And then I'm going to back up, show you one more thing. We've got a bed of lioropy. Now, if you can see in the middle of that lioropy bed, evidently it's pretty cool because that's where Miss Daisy Doodle likes to take her nap. She'll just get right in the middle of that and root it out, make her a spot, and there you go. Okay, I'm going to stop this for right now. I'm going to check the flowers, see if they're dry. I'm going to put them together in a vase that I pulled out of my guest room. It's a little silver vase. And we're going to arrange them in that vase. There's the chimenea. I've got more sage over there. It hasn't started blooming yet. patio. It's a disaster. And then this is where I've got everything set up that I'm working on. So I'll be back. Here's the silver vase. And it really is, actually it is real silver. I love it. It's got a beautiful patina. I don't want to polish it. I like the patina for the guest room. So anyway, this month, let me move that. Okay, so when I come back, we'll have it all put together. Daisy, what are you doing sniffing around? Bye-bye. Hey, we are in my guest room. This is my little chest I have. It's an antique. Of course, I painted it gray to go with the room. But what do you think? There's my Eiffel Tower. There's my flowers. Let's get a little bit closer and see if you can see the colors. You see that little bit of gray and the blush pink. I think they look pretty. All in all, under $10. I had the vase, a little bit of paint, inexpensive spray paint, but I think it's very pretty. Let's go around to the other side. Let me come around this way so you can see it. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breaths away. And you know what? Those flowers pretty much take my breath away. I think they turned out beautiful. So I showed you basically how I did it. I sprayed them pink. You could do any color you wanted. Then I hit them with a gray, which I think gave them a real pretty dimension. You can see that gray on there. So there you go, ladies. It probably didn't turn out near as pretty and nice as the one that I saw on YouTube, but I'm pretty proud of it. I think it looks good. For less than $10, I don't think you could go buy the flowers at Hobby Lobby for that. So anyway, have a great day and enjoy yourself for the weekend. Bye-bye.